Hey, hi, hello. Welcome back, everybody. If you're new here, my name is Linnea, and this is a space where we are trying to become semi-self-sufficient, where we garden, we do sourdough, we do fun recipes. So if that is something you're interested in, consider subscribing. I do have a new seed order coming probably this coming weekend, and I'm probably gonna do a video on the new things that I'll be growing. So if you're interested in that, come back maybe Tuesday, maybe next Saturday. I'm not sure which video that will be, but if you're interested, come back for that. Today we are doing not a cooking video at all. I had everything prepared and I had intended to make a cooking video, but then I was like, meh, I don't really want to. So today we are gonna do a pretty helpful video, at least I think, and you can use this trick on any enameled cast iron pan, pot, whatever that you have. I am gonna show you all how to clean the dark, it's really hard to see on this particular color of enameled cast iron, but I'm gonna show you all how to clean, yeah, you can probably see, yes. See the nasty spots that you get on the sides? I'm gonna show you all how to clean it off to the best of my ability. And if this doesn't work, the trick that I'm gonna show you all, I have heard the Creuset like cleaner actually works wonders, but I've also heard it's very expensive. let's look it up. Let me confirm if it is expensive. Let's look it up. Le Creuset pot cleaner. I mean, it's $25 for a small bottle. So can confirm for 8 ounces, it is $25. And it is, yeah, so I'm gonna show you all how to clean it for free because you all probably have these things in your kitchen. So the first thing that you need, baking soda. The next thing you need, a sponge, but not the green kind. The green kind will scratch your surface. Anything but the green Scotch-Brite, I think maybe that's what it's called. I don't know. Don't use that. Use a regular, this one in particular is for surfaces that you don't want to scratch. So, and then you need water, and that's it. So let me show you the trick. Hold on. All right, I don't know how well the camera is showing this, but I added some baking soda to this little tiny dish, and then I just added enough water that it made it into a very, very, very thick paste. So let me put a different towel down because I'm not trying to scratch this butcher block. So hold on just a sec. All right, let me see if I can. There we go. Now we're going to put some on with the finger. Now this does take elbow grease. It doesn't just magically come off. All right, I wet the very tip of this sponge, and we're just gonna do that. All right, I don't know if you guys can tell, but it is already gone. Let me rinse it, and there is no more black spot there. Now, see, there is no more black spot. let's see, it's kind of spotty here, right here. Mine is not super dirty because I do try to regularly clean it. I try to take care of this. There's also some here, so let's do right here. I don't know if everyone can see. Maybe, probably not. But let's do right here. Oh. Let's see if we can do over here, maybe. All right, honestly, I can't even tell what side I scrubbed. I think it was this side. There is no longer any more black spots. The bottom is clean. There's probably a couple that I could get, but that is the easiest way to clean off any kind of black spots on your enameled cast iron. My lid does not really have any marks on it. It has a couple, but they're not bad. Because like I said, I do regularly clean it. Yeah, you can't see any on there. So yeah, here, let me, whoa. All right, hopefully that was useful. It is such an easy trick. It's so much cheaper than buying the $25 bottle from Le Creuset. And like I said, you don't have to have Le Creuset to use this trick on. It'll work on Lodge. It'll work on, I don't know, whatever, the Sam's Club one, whatever enameled cast iron you have, it will work on. It does take some elbow grease. And like I said, just make sure that you don't use a sponge that will scratch your stuff, because you will kick yourself if you're over there just scrubbing away and then you realize that you scratched everything up. So that's it. That's the video, guys. That was easy. That was fast. And you know, the one piece of advice I have, besides don't get a sponge that scratches everything, the one piece of advice I have is don't wait until your Dutch oven or whatever enameled cast iron you have. Do not wait until it gets absolutely disgusting to decide that you want to clean it. Try to maintain it when you notice the black spots. It doesn't take much effort. It doesn't take much time. Because it will just be easier in the long run if you're not trying to like scrub an entire thing. So that's it. That's the video. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Consider subscribing. If not, well, thanks for watching anyways. The next video will either be a cooking video or what seeds that I got for the garden this year that are new to me, which is quite a bit. Spoiler alert, quite a few new things to me. So that's exciting. Anyway, I guess I'll just see you guys in the next video. Have a good day. Bye.